There are two ways of reading the glorious Qur'an. One is Tazakkur Qur'an and one is Tadabbur Qur'an. Tazakkur Qur'an is when you read the meaning of the glorious Qur'an superficially, without pondering over the meaning, without thinking over the meaning. Tadabbur Qur'an is when you think over the meaning of what you are reading, when you ponder over the meaning. Tadabbur Qur'an can better be done in Arabic. No one can say that he has completed the Tadabbur Qur'an because the glorious Qur'an is so beautiful. Every house, it should have a copy of the Qur'an. If you do not understand Arabic, you should have the translation. The best gift that you can give to any human being, it is the glorious Qur'an. Whether it be rich or poor, young or old, Muslim or non-Muslim, the best gift that you can give to any human being, it is the glorious Qur'an. The best gift that you can give to your child, it is the glorious Qur'an. Many parents, they make their children do the Hifz Qur'an. They should make them learn Arabic as a language along with the Hifz Qur'an so that they can understand the Qur'an directly. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said that there are three things that give you sawab jariyah. What you spend in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what you spread in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and pious children who pray for Him. Every house, it should have a copy of the Qur'an. And the family should get together, the father, the mother and the children, and they should read the Qur'an. One ruku, two rukus, and inshallah it will change their lives. I would request all the businessmen out here to make it compulsory in their organization to read the Qur'an. In the Islamic Research Foundation, there are 400 employees, and it is compulsory for each employee to read the glorious Qur'an at least for 15 minutes before doing anything, after punching the card. So I would request all the businessmen out here to make it compulsory in the organization to read the Qur'an, whether they be Muslim or non-Muslim. And inshallah it will change their lives. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Qur'an in Surah Hashr chapter number 59 verse number 21, لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله. Had we revealed the Qur'an on a mountain, it would have fallen down to utter ruin. But to us Muslims, to us human beings, it is making no difference. I would like to end my talk with the hadith of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam from Sahih Bukhari, volume number 6, hadith number 5027. And Uthman radiyallahu anhu, and in Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam قال خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. The best among you is the one who reads the Qur'an and preaches it. I promise you inshallah that with the understanding of the glorious Qur'an, we the teens of IS, we feel so strong, we feel so enriched, we feel so capable of taking up challenges. We feel so empowered. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He's with us. We dare to dream. We have a mission. We have a vision that Al-Qur'an, it will be the future world constitution. And future is not too far. That the world will accept the Qur'an as the world constitution. Qur'an will solve all the problems of humanity and we can have a better tomorrow. We will establish peace, inshallah. It is my humble appeal to all my non-Muslim brothers and sisters to read the glorious Qur'an. Give this book one chance, Al-Qur'an. You read many books in your life. Give this book one chance. It assures you guidance. It reassures you success. It is my humble appeal to my Muslim brothers and sisters that, especially to the teens and the youths, that this is a great treasure that we have. It is not meant only for the Muslims or only for the Arabs, but it is meant for the whole of humanity. Let's not sit on it like a cobra, neither benefiting from it nor letting others benefit from it. Believe me, brothers and sisters, with this immense treasure, Al-Qur'an, we can transform nations, we can transform countries, we can transform humanity, we can walk the world. We will establish peace, inshallah. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.